Hello, friends. This is my favorite time of the week. It's Tidy Tuesday. Our host is Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. Please check out her channel and please check out all the amazing creators in the playlist for inspiration on how you can tidy your home in small amounts of time each week. It's that time of year again. Time to declutter the seasonal decor. And I'm also going to go through some cloths and napkins because the best time to go through this seasonal decor is when you're starting to decorate for the holidays. And that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's declutter a tote of seasonal decor. I'm keeping this. This was cute on my counter. This goes in in another cabinet, so I can put that away. I'm going to get rid of this. It's really too big for my house, but of course I'm keeping the floral. Let's see what else I got in here. I keep this. I'm going to keep these floral in this vase. These, I think, I'm going to let these go. I have a lot of floral that needs put away. So I don't think I'll need spring for a while. Maybe a month or two. I'm gonna let that go too. These can go be put away. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this piece. It's great for a kid's birthday party or like wedding decor. But I don't think I'm going to do that kind of decorating anymore. So I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, this can go. I don't do collabs doing lanterns, and if I do, I have one. Okay, I'm getting rid of this wreath. And I'm going to get rid of this serving tray. I'm going to keep this. And I'm going to keep this because this is good for Valentine's Day, or I can use it for Christmas. And I'm keeping this. I'm going to keep these. This I haven't used yet. I got it after Christmas last year. I'm not sure whether I'm keeping it or not. We'll just put that aside. I got this. That may go. I like the house, and I like these. I'm gonna find a way to incorporate those in to decor this year somehow. I'm keeping my gingerbread. This is an antique doll that was that my grandmother gave me, so I gotta keep that. So I guess I didn't get rid of much. I think that horse will go on my mantle, so I'm not getting rid of him. I think this is going on my table, so I can't get rid of this. The only thing I might get rid of is that. But it's neutral. I could use it with almost anything. I might use that in the bathroom. Okay, let's clean off this desk. It's driving me crazy. What this stuff is. Bailey's coming out to declutter too. I'll stack this with these others. So it's ready to ship because you know Christmas is coming for my Etsy shop. I don't know what that is. Leave that there. That might be something of my husband. It's going to go in the declutter box. Yeah, this is going to be in the declutter box. Oh, that's trash. More trash. More trash. Oh, that's a Christmas card. that is. That are on trash. I found these. These won't work in my hair, so I guess those are brand new, so those can go. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. It's just an empty box. So this is registration from the show we went to, so I can get rid of that. So we can get rid of those. Don't know. Oh, this is light. I guess we can keep these. Don't know where he's putting those up at. But